Hi dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope fine. সবাইকে নববর্ষের শুভেচ্ছা জানিয়ে আমি আজকে আমার ক্লাসটা শুরু করতে যাচ্ছি। তো আমি বেশি কথা বলবো না শুরুতেই। আমি পরবর্তীতে বাংলা নববর্ষ নিয়ে তোমাদেরকে কিছু কথা শেয়ার করব। তবে এখন আমি সময় নষ্ট করছি না। আমি এখনই ক্লাসে চলে যেতে যাচ্ছি। সো লেটস মুভ। Okay, it is exercise 7.7. And we are watching the formula. In our previous class we have got this problem, got this formula, some formula at a glance. So it is c cos b plus b cos a is equal to, sorry, c cos b plus b cos c is equal to a cos c plus c cos a equal to b. Actually a, b, c all are side, the length of side of triangles. Okay, so we have to use a equal to c cos b plus b cos c, or b equal to a cos c plus c cos a, and a cos b plus b cos a equal to c in many times in our solution. Okay, it is 5 number 1 solution. Mm, In triangle ABC, prove that b plus c cos a plus c plus a cos b plus a plus b cos c is equal to a plus b plus c. So here it is solution. Left side is b plus c cos a plus c plus a cos b plus a plus b cos c. So it's very easy. We have to multiply. We get b cos a. If we multiply b cos a, b cos a, c into cos a, c cos a, c into cos b, c cos b. Similarly, a cos b, a cos c, and b cos c. We just assort it. Okay, it is b cos c. Here we write b cos c. How we get? We get it from here. It is b cos c, and similarly c cos b, it is c cos b. We just assort the second line and get the third line. We must get each and every terms in the second term. We just assort it, nothing else. So here b cos c plus c cos b is equal to a. It is formula. We are watching the formula again. A equal to c cos b plus b cos c. It is very similar. It is b cos c plus c cos b. So instead of b cos c plus c cos b, we can write it is a cos c plus c cos a. Instead of a cos c plus c cos a, we can write it is b. And instead of a cos b plus b cos a, we can write it as c. So we get our right side. Okay, we get this. We get the proof of the 5 number 1. Okay, now we are going to the next one. It is bigger than the previous. 6 1 in triangle ABC, if 1 by a plus c plus 1 by b plus c equal to 3 by a plus b plus c, then we have to show that c equal to 60 degree. Okay, a, b, c is 3 are the length of 3 sides of triangle ABC. So we are starting from the left side. Sorry, we are starting from the given stem. 1 by a plus c plus 1 by b plus c is equal to 3 by a plus b plus c. So here it is 1 by a plus c, 1 by a plus c plus 1 by b plus c, 3 by. We just take the LCM from the left side, a plus c and b plus c. So it would be 1 into b plus c, that means b plus c, 1 into a plus c, that means a plus c. So rest lines, rest things are same. Okay, so that means right side is same. Right side is same. We don't have anything in right side. Don't do anything on right side. Here we write it a plus b plus c plus c, and just cross multiplication a plus b plus c. This cross multiplication, this one and this one. Okay. Okay, and 3 and a plus c and b plus c, they are cross multiplied. Okay. Okay, now we multiply a plus b plus c and these a plus b plus c. So we get a plus b plus c whole square. There one c is left. We have to multiply all the terms from a plus b plus c. We get c into a is ac, c into b is bc, and c into c is c square. Again, in right side is a plus c and b plus c. It is a into b, a b, b, b into c, bc, or c into b, bc, a into c, ac, and c into c, c square. Okay, we just withdraw the bracket in next line, and we change the side in next line. Okay, so we get, and we also turns it into formula a plus b plus c whole square. We know the formula of a plus b plus c whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c, and it is 3ab. There have no ab here, that's why when it changes the side it becomes minus 3ab. AC minus 3AC, it becomes minus 2AC. Then BC minus 3BC, it becomes minus 2BC. And C square minus 3C square, it becomes minus 2C square. Again, in this line, there are 2AB plus 2AB, and it is minus 3AB. So 2AB minus 3AB, it becomes minus AB. And there a square plus b square, c square minus 2c square becomes minus c square, and 2ab minus 3ab minus ab I discussed earlier. 2bc minus 2bc, nothing. 2ca minus 2ac, and that means nothing. So at last we get a square plus b square minus c square minus ab is equal to 0. Okay, we change the side of minus AB in right side. It becomes a square plus b square minus c square equal to AB. We divide both sides by AB, and we get the next line. And again, we divide both sides by 2. We get a square plus b square minus c square by 2AB equal to half. Okay, we can write a square plus b square minus c square by 2AB as cos c. We have the formula, it is cos rule. We get the cos rule. Cos rule is cos c is equal to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab, and here half is equal to cos 60 degree. So that means angle c is 60 degree. Okay, we had to prove it. That's why it is the given term, and we have to prove that c equal to 60 degree, and finally we have done it, c equal to 60 degree. Okay, now next one, 6 number 1. It is in triangle ABC. If a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 is equal to 2c square into a square plus b square, then show that c is equal to 45 degree or 135 degree. So we are starting from the stem. A to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 is equal to 2c square into a square plus b square. We change the side of right side, 2c square into a square plus b square, it becomes negative. And in next line we just withdraw the bracket, it becomes minus 2c square square minus 2b square c square. And in next line we just add 2a square b square in both sides. Okay, so a to the power 4, we can write it is a square whole square, it is b square squared minus, we write c to the power 4 square as minus c square squared um, because um, here, look, this term consists of 2c square square, and before this term it is negative 2b square c square. That means there are also c square, and before the term it is negative. So a square, c square is existing and the negative is also occurring. That's why it's a trick. Okay, we have to put a negative sign before c square. Okay, here is equal to a square b square, no change. So we can write the formula. It is a square plus b square minus c square whole square is equal to 2a square b square. Okay, taking square root in both sides, we get a square plus b square minus c square is equal to plus minus 2 becomes square root 2, a square is a, b square is b. A square plus b square, we divide both sides by 2ab. Okay, both sides by 2ab. So this one becomes cos c, a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab is equal to cos c. It is cos rule, and in our previous sum we also get same thing. Okay, and it is ab cancelled. Root 2 by 2 is 1 by root 2. That means we get cos c is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. Okay. At first we take the positive. Cos c is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is cos 45 degree, we know. That's why c is equal to 45 degree. Again, cos c is equal to minus 1 by root 2. And minus 1 by root 2 is cos 135 degree. So that means c is equal to 135 degree. We get both the values. Our question was like this. If a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus c to the power 4 is equal to the right side, that means 2c square into a square plus b square, then c equal to 45 degree or 135 degree. So after the sum, we get it is c equal to 45 degree and c is or c equal to 135 degree. So that means we get our answer, and it is end of this problem. Okay, we are going to solve another problem. It is 6 number 5. If the lengths of the sides of a triangle are 357 unit, then show that the triangle is obtuse angle. Okay. So if the lengths of the sides of a triangle 357, that means it is unit. That means if it is 3 centimeter, second line is 5 centimeter, third line is 7 centimeter, and we are to prove that it is obtuse angle. So if we can show an angle is greater than 90 degree, then we will get the proof the triangle is obtuse angle. Okay, so here we just consider if it is a triangle ABC, then A equal to 3. Okay, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5, and C is equal to 7. So this one is the greatest side, okay, of the triangle. So that means opposite of C, it is angle opposite of C, length C or side C. Angle is capital C, greatest angle is capital C, okay, capital C. There, it is also like this. If we draw a triangle like this, okay. For example, it is a triangle, okay. So, if it is side C, if it is C side, okay. Okay, if it is C side, then this angle will be the capital side. We can do it. This angle is capital. Okay. this angle is capital. Okay, it is just for your understanding. If it is C side, that means this angle is the capital C. Okay. Okay, so cos C is equal to a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. We know it from the cos rule. And cos C is equal to 3 square plus 5 square. We know the value of a is 3. We let it before starting the solution. B equal to 5. Okay, we just put the values. A is equal to 3, B equal to 5, and C equal to 7. Okay, so after calculation, we get this line uh, 9 plus 25. Okay, it is not a matter of discussion. At last we get cos C is equal to minus half. That means cos 120 degree, we know the value of minus half. Cos 120 degree is minus half. Okay, so that means C is equal to 120 degree, and we have to prove that this triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, we get an angle is 120 degree. So that means the triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, it is end of the lesson, and I before starting my video or my class, I told you I will share with you something about Bangla Novoborsho. Okay, please listen.
আসলে বাংলা নববর্ষ নিয়ে আমি যে কথাটি শেয়ার করতে চেয়েছিলাম সেটা হচ্ছে আমরা যতই ইংলিশ ভার্সনের স্টুডেন্ট হই আর যতই ইংলিশ মিডিয়ামের স্টুডেন্ট হই, আমাদের পরিচয় আমরা বাঙালি। আমাদেরকে বাংলা ভাষা সবসময় রপ্ত করতে হবে। আর আমরা অন্যান্য ভাষা শিখতে পারি, যদিও এটা অনেকটা 21 ফেব্রুয়ারির কথা মতো হয়ে যায়, তারপরেও এটা বাংলা নববর্ষ উপলক্ষে আমি কথাগুলো মানে রিমাইন্ড করাই দিচ্ছি। আমি ভাষার প্রতি আমার শ্রদ্ধা থেকেই আমি এটা বলছি, কারণ একটা জাতির মূল পরিচয় হচ্ছে তার ভাষা। তো আমরা যতই বাঙালি বলি না কেন, এখানে আসলে বাংলা ভাষাটাই সবচেয়ে প্রায়োরিটি পায়। সেজন্যই এই বাংলা ভাষা নিয়ে আমার একটু কথা বলা, সেজন্যই। তো আমরা অবশ্যই আমাদের নিজের ভাষাটাকে সবসময় চর্চা করব, রপ্ত করার চেষ্টা করব। তো আসলেই কিছু কথা বলার জন্যই আমি আবারও তোমাদেরকে অপেক্ষা করতে বলেছিলাম ভিডিও শেষ হওয়া পর্যন্ত। তো ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে আমার সাথে থাকার জন্য। তোমাদের পরবর্তী ক্লাসে আমি আবারও চলে আসবো ঠিক সময়ই। তো এই পর্যন্ত সবাই সুস্থ থাকবে, ভালো থাকবে, স্টে হোম, স্টে সেফ। আল্লাহ হাফিজ।